I just thought I'd do a quick little video. Um, Another thing about RV life, and especially when we're in really cold weather like this, we're really getting low on propane, and we're still low on propane. And today we decided, well, we're going to go get it, and we went over to the place, and they said, yeah, no problem. And we came back here and got everything unhooked and took the covers off the wheels and off the windshield and got all ready to go. Got the slide out in, turned the key on the motorhome. It fired right up. Everything was a go. And then the engine died. And I'm like, rut-row. And it appears that the problem is that the fuel had gelled. And we haven't been above freezing, and we were down like 1 degree with a 20 below zero wind chill factor. And so I called my brother. He's lived here forever, his whole life. And he told me, he goes, everybody's been buying up all the gels that keep your fuel from freezing just because of this reason. So I said, okay. So Darla and I went around, and we finally found a place that had not the power, was it power service? Is that what it was called? But we ended up getting some house. Anyway, so we put that in there, so we'll see. And I'm going to run the engine block heater in the morning. And it's supposed to be above freezing pretty early tomorrow. So possibly, it's a possibility that we'll probably get everything running again. And because this thing, we were in Colorado 15 below, and we were able to get it to fire up. But the thing is I had put that house in it before we got there because I knew it was going to get cold. But this time, it's been so warm, and then all of a sudden, wham! One day temperature just slammed us, and I kind of was thinking that, this isn't going to happen. This isn't going to happen because, a lot of times they'll tell you, oh, there's a tornado, and they blow the sirens and everything else, and we don't have a problem. But this time we definitely had the cold, and we were definitely colder than what they originally had said. They kept updating it. So I think we're going to make it. It's warming up. It's a little bit warmer now, but the thing is the fuel tank is like underneath where I'm sitting right now, and it's got to feed fuel all the way to the back for the motor. And I think we're just going to have to get above freezing and stay there for a few hours. And with that house in there, I think tomorrow maybe we'll be able to fire this thing up and actually be able to run it. And go get some propane. We still have 1/3 left as far as the light says. When this light goes out, I don't know how much. We've never ran it this low. We've never used as much propane before as we have this year. So little nerve-wracking, little more than I want to do. Of course, Darla's not nerve-wracked at all because she's been making bread. She likes making bread.
And now making cookies.
She's now making cookies. Cage says, Mom's making me cookies. Uh-oh. Who likes cookies? You like cookies? There he is right there. There's the Christmas boy. So, all right, guys. Well, everybody have a great Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
And thanks for watching our videos this year. We'll probably, we'll be doing, we're going to try to pump some more out this week. That's going to be our new plan from here on out. We're going to start showing you more of the dumb things we do. So if you're willing to watch, we're willing to do it. So you guys have a great Christmas, and we'll talk to you soon.